Oh man, Tesla stock is exploding, guys, and we got to break it down in this video. We're going to go over the chart, we're going to go over my thoughts on the stock, and of course, we're going to break down why this is happening and some future predictions. So sit back, relax, take a sip of your coffee, hit the like button, subscribe, check out my Patreon if you guys want all my buys, sells, call outs, morning update videos, plus more. All that's on Patreon, and right now, since it is the beginning of the month, it is the best time to sign up, so check it out again, link down below. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the stock is currently up over 9%, up almost $100 on the day, and the day just started, the trading day just started about 40 minutes ago. It's only 10:11 a.m. on the East Coast right now, and based on this chart, on the 4-hour chart, this is completely breaking out. We're breaking out of the multi-month downtrending channel that we were trading in, and we actually started breaking out of this last week. You guys can see this broke above 1080 back into the 1100s, and now we're completely breaking out of, again, the moving averages, the channel, and the high point from last week, which was around 1100, 1120. Now we're trading at about 1150, testing the resistance point from the end of November. So based on this chart, Tesla has more upside. Volume is slowly kicking up a little bit, and we have momentum coming in, which you guys know Tesla is the king of momentum stocks. So let me draw out some levels here of resistance. Number one, like we mentioned, is 1150 to about 1170, which was the high point from the end of November, early December. That's number one. That will probably be a sticking point, at least here in the short term. Number two, we have 1200. We have 1200, which was resistance towards the end of November in the 20th, early 20th, what am I trying to say here? The 20th, right? Roughly of November. That's where we peaked out at. And the all-time high, you guys know, was hit early November at about 1250, exactly 1250. So these are the upside gaps. Number one, 1170. Number two, 1200. Number three, 1250. That is where we could see this momentum take us over the next couple of weeks. So why is Tesla stock going ballistic right now? There's definitely a reason. Obviously, right? Number one, they delivered more than 308,000 vehicles last quarter, the last quarter of 2021, despite supply chain issues, which we know about, and despite the chip shortage problem that's been going on for quite some time right now. An analyst surveyed by FactSet expected Tesla to put roughly 897,000 vehicles in customer hands last year. And drumroll please, you guys know the goal was 1 million deliveries for 2021. They ended up blowing by, not the 1 million deliveries, but they blew by the analyst estimate, which again was 897,000. They delivered 936,000 vehicles in 2021, which was up from almost 500,000 the year before. And we will break down some numbers here in a second, so make sure you guys stick on throughout, hit the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And the ambitious goal for 2021, like I said, was 1 million vehicles. And you guys know Tesla, you guys know Elon Musk. He puts out lofty goals, right? He puts out deadlines that a lot of the time can't be met. He puts out these delivery numbers that a lot of the time can't be met, but sometimes they are. And the goals are ambitious. They're lofty, let's be honest. And the 1 million deliveries wasn't hit in 2021, but the predictions for 2022 are that, according to a Credit Suisse analyst, I think his name is Dan Levi, his analysts are 2022 deliveries could be around 1.3 million vehicles, which might be a bit conservative. I'm not sure what Tesla put out there for deliveries, but I wouldn't be surprised if their goal was, especially if the supply chain issues subside, I wouldn't be surprised if their goal was 1.5 million or 1.4, something like that. So what do you guys think? This is great overall for the stock in the short term, for trading, for momentum traders. This is fantastic. I think there could be more upside in the short term. So what do you think? Drop me a comment down below. And now let's hop over here to Twitter very quickly. I want to show you guys this post by, what's his name? Charlie Bilelo. Sorry if I'm butchering your name, Charlie. You're probably not watching this video, but we got to go over your tweet. Shout out to Charlie Bilelo. So he put this together. Tesla full year deliveries from 2020 or 2012 rather, all the way to 2021, and the stock price year end for all of those years. So in 2012, they delivered 3,000 vehicles. Their stock price was a whopping $7 per share. In 2013, they delivered 22,000 vehicles. Their stock price was $30 in 2013 year end. And then 2014, they slowed down a little bit. Actually, that's still pretty good growth. They did 32,000 vehicles, followed by 2015. They did 50,000 and 76,000 in 2016, 103,000 in 2017. And the growth has been pretty good since then. Pretty much all throughout the years, the growth has been good. And you guys know they've been scaling out their different manufacturing facilities. They're all across the world. They've been growing rapidly the past couple of years, and I expect this to continue. 2018 they did 245,000, 368,000, 2019, 2020 they did 500,000, and look how the stock price has just been going crazy, especially since 2019. They did $84. The stock was $84 in 2019. $700 in 2020, and now $1,057, and who the heck knows where it's going to be this time next year. Will it be over $1,500? Will it crash? I have no idea. I wish I knew. I wish I had a time machine. That would be awesome. But what do you guys think? This goes to show, it puts into perspective how this company's been growing and the massive stock price increase in just the past 2 years as people kind of open their eyes to Tesla in the future with Tesla. Now, the question is it a bubble? Is it not a bubble? We're not going to talk about that in this video, but if you think it's a bubble, you might obviously not want to invest at these levels. You might want to wait for maybe a 40-50% crash or maybe even more. But if you think there is a lot of future growth and today's stock price is reasonable, you might want to enter today. I don't know. It all depends on you. It's all relative to you, and I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm just giving it to you guys how it is. I'm talking about the facts and just how Tesla's gone up a lot recently, and it has a lot of people thinking it's a bubble. Some people think it's justified, and I'd love to know your thoughts. Drop me a comment down below. Now, going back to the stock price, let's see what's going on a couple minutes after we initially saw the stock price. So it's still up about 9%, which is great. And again, we're struggling a little bit at about, what is this, 1170. So if this breaks, watch out for a move to 1,200 plus, and at that point, I think momentum really is going to start kicking in, as I am noticing now that I'm thinking about it, or now that I'm seeing it, I am noticing an inverse head and shoulders as well within this overall breakout of the downtrending channel. Look at this. We have the left shoulder, the head, and we got the right shoulder right here, so this could end up completing anywhere from 1,200, 1,250. That is where we could be going. So let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Hope you all found value in this video. Are you in Tesla? Are you not in Tesla? You guys know I'm a shareholder of Tesla. It's not a huge position for me, but I do own some Tesla stocks. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Check out my Patreon if you guys want all my buys, sells, call-outs, morning update videos, more access to me throughout the day, plus more. Now's the best time to sign up. It's the beginning of the month, beginning of the year. Check it out. Link down below, or you can go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. Make sure to also get your 2 stocks from Webull with a $100 deposit and your $50 from M1 Finance also with a $100 deposit. All of those are linked down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching as always. Peace out.